The importance of protein. Protein is a fundamental building block of life, essential for the growth, repair, and maintenance of tissues in our bodies. It plays a critical role in various bodily functions, including enzyme production, hormone regulation, and immune system support. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore the best sources of protein, detailing their benefits, nutritional profiles, and how to incorporate them into your diet effectively. The basics of protein. Before diving into specific protein sources, it's essential to understand what protein is and why it's crucial for our health. Proteins are made up of amino acids, which are organic compounds that combine to form proteins. There are 20 different amino acids, 9 of which are considered essential because our bodies cannot produce them, so they must be obtained through our diet. Proteins can be classified as complete or incomplete based on their amino acid composition. Complete proteins contain all 9 essential amino acids, while incomplete proteins lack one or more of these amino acids. This distinction is important when considering dietary sources of protein, especially for those following vegetarian or vegan diets. Animal-based protein sources. Animal-based proteins are often considered high quality because they are complete proteins. Here are some of the best animal-based protein sources. Lean meats, such as chicken, turkey, and lean cuts of beef, are excellent sources of high-quality protein. They provide all essential amino acids, making them complete proteins. Lean meats are also rich in important nutrients like iron, zinc, and B vitamins. When choosing lean meats, opt for skinless poultry and lean cuts to reduce saturated fat intake. Fish and seafood are not only rich in protein but also packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health. Salmon, tuna, trout, and sardines are particularly high in protein and omega-3s. Shellfish, such as shrimp, crab, and mussels, are also excellent protein sources. Regular consumption of fish and seafood can support cardiovascular health and brain function. Dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt are convenient and versatile sources of protein. They contain casein and whey proteins, both of which are complete proteins. Greek yogurt, in particular, is a protein powerhouse, providing a higher protein content compared to regular yogurt. Additionally, dairy products are rich in calcium and vitamin D, which are crucial for bone health. Eggs are one of the most versatile and nutrient-dense protein sources available. A single egg contains about 6 grams of high-quality protein, along with essential vitamins and minerals such as vitamin B12, vitamin D, and choline. Eggs can be prepared in various ways, making them an easy addition to any meal. Plant-based protein sources. For those following vegetarian or vegan diets, plant-based proteins can also provide all essential amino acids when consumed in a variety of foods. Here are some of the best plant-based protein sources. Legumes, including beans, lentils, and chickpeas, are excellent sources of plant-based protein. They are also rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Black beans, kidney beans, and lentils are particularly high in protein content. Legumes can be incorporated into soups, stews, salads, and various other dishes. Nuts and seeds are not only packed with protein but also healthy fats, fiber, and essential nutrients. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds, and hemp seeds are some of the best options. They can be added to smoothies, oatmeal, salads, or enjoyed as a snack. Nut butters, such as almond butter and peanut butter, are also protein-rich options. Tofu and tempeh are soy-based products that are popular protein sources among vegetarians and vegans. Tofu is made from soybean curds, while tempeh is made from fermented soybeans. Both are complete proteins and can be used in a variety of dishes, from stir-fries to salads to sandwiches. Tempeh, with its nutty flavor, is especially versatile and nutritious. Quinoa is a unique plant-based protein source because it is a complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids. It is also gluten-free and rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Quinoa can be used as a base for salads, mixed into soups, or served as a side dish. Its versatility and nutritional profile make it an excellent addition to any diet. Edamame, or young soybeans, are a delicious and protein-rich snack. They are also high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Edamame can be enjoyed steamed, added to salads, or incorporated into stir-fries. Their mild flavor and high protein content make them a popular choice among those looking to boost their protein intake. The role of protein supplements. In addition to whole food sources of protein, protein supplements can be a convenient way to ensure adequate protein intake, especially for athletes, bodybuilders, or those with higher protein needs. Here are some common types of protein supplements. Whey protein. Whey protein is derived from milk and is a complete protein, containing all essential amino acids. It is quickly absorbed by the body, making it an ideal post-workout protein source. Whey protein is available in various forms, including concentrate, isolate, and hydrolysate, each with different protein concentrations and processing methods. Casein protein. Casein protein, also derived from milk, is a slow-digesting protein that provides a steady release of amino acids over several hours. This makes it an excellent option for a nighttime protein supplement, helping to support muscle recovery and growth during sleep. Plant-based protein powders. For those who prefer plant-based options, there are various protein powders made from sources like pea, rice, hemp, and soy. These powders are often combined to ensure a complete amino acid profile. Plant-based protein powders are suitable for vegans and those with dairy allergies or intolerances. Balancing protein intake with other nutrients. While protein is essential for health, it's important to balance protein intake with other macronutrients, such as carbohydrates and fats, to ensure a well-rounded diet. Here are some tips for achieving this balance. Incorporate a variety of protein sources. Eating a variety of protein sources ensures you receive a broad spectrum of nutrients. Combining animal-based and plant-based proteins can provide the benefits of both and enhance overall nutrient intake. Pair proteins with carbohydrates and healthy fats. Pairing proteins with carbohydrates and healthy fats can create balanced meals that provide sustained energy and satiety. For example, combine chicken with quinoa and vegetables, or enjoy a yogurt parfait with berries and nuts. Monitor portion sizes. It's important to consume appropriate portion sizes to meet your protein needs without overconsuming calories. Generally, aim for a serving size of protein that fits the palm of your hand, which is roughly 3–4 ounces of meat or fish, 1/2 cup of beans, or 1 large egg. Stay hydrated. Adequate hydration is crucial for protein metabolism and overall health. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day supports digestion and helps transport nutrients, including proteins, to cells and tissues. Conclusion: the power of protein. Understanding the best sources of protein and how to incorporate them into your diet is essential for maintaining optimal health. Whether you prefer animal-based or plant-based proteins, there are numerous options to suit your dietary preferences and needs. By balancing protein intake with other nutrients and maintaining a varied and balanced diet, you can support your body's growth, repair, and overall well-being. In this comprehensive guide, we've explored the diverse sources of protein, their nutritional benefits, and practical tips for incorporating them into your daily meals. By prioritizing high-quality protein sources, you can enhance your health and achieve your dietary goals, whether it's building muscle, maintaining weight, or simply leading a healthier lifestyle. Remember, the power of protein lies not just in its quantity but also in its quality and variety. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks. 4-0